Alright, as you can see, I'm out here at 6th Avenue number 4 and Meighan Boulevard in Gadsden, Alabama. As you can see, we've got a, well, Meighan Boulevard number 2, excuse me, in Gadsden, Alabama. As you can see, we've got a upgrade here. They've replaced all the signals at both these crossings, because that one down there was redone a bit, and even the lines out there, so they had funding to go ahead and just get the signals replaced. So this first signal here, we have a progress rail base. Right here's the emergency information. You can see the dot number is 352673J. The lights on this signal are what's going on is 12 by 24 inch lights with GE uniform look LEDs in them, as you can see. Then up here we got a General Signals electronic bell. This signal previously did not have a bell. And then we come over here to the other signal. Of course, that way it's track view looking south. As you see, like I said, let me get out of the way of this car. Like I said, this line is not in use right now, but they're hoping to get a customer back here. Anyways, here's the second signal. This one has another progress rail base. The emergency information right there. Lights on this signal are more what's going on is 12 by 24 inch lights with GE uniform look LEDs in them. And here's the back of one of them. And then of course up top of this one we got another General Signals electronic bell. Let's see here, yeah, now come this way. Definitely quite glad I got these recorded back when I did, because this line's been out of service for a little while now. But I'm glad I got this back when I did, because there's still the federal signal bell over here at Meighan Boulevard, which is US Route 431, US Route 431, US Route 278. Right here's the relay case. As you can see, they got the information for both crossings printed on it. Right here, of course, is the Meighan Boulevard number 2 crossing. Pretty similar equipment over here. Every signal here now has a bell. Shame the 3rd gen what's going on mechanical bell over there is now gone. I never got to hear one in person, so hopefully I'll be able to make it to like Metro or something with one of those. But anyways, right here we have a progress rail cantilever. For this first signal here, here's the emergency information. As you see, the dot number is 352674R. Then the lights on this signal are all what's going on 12 by 24 inch lights with the lights on the signal are what's going on 12 by 24 inch lights with GE uniform look LEDs in them as well. There's a look at the back of one of them. On the overhead we got more what's going on 12 by 24 inch lights with GE uniform look LEDs. Yeah, go this way. Come up here. So yeah, let's show the rear of the overhead. Yeah, up there. So the back of that, yeah, there's also General Signals electronic bell on top of this signal too now. It used to be the federal signal bell and that cantilever. Over here we got another mast signal. This is one of the 2 median signals here. This one has a progress rail base on it. The lights on this signal are another pair of GE uniform look LEDs, or another pair of what's going on 12 by 24 inch lights, GE uniform look LEDs, excuse me. Yeah, there's the light there. There's the back of one of them. And then we come over here. Oh yeah, I forgot, there's also a General Signals electronic bell on top of this signal too. Here we have the 5th signal here at both these crossings. As you can see, it's another gateless mast signal. We got another progress rail base here. The lights on this signal are another pair of what's going on 12 by 24 inch lights, GE uniform look LEDs in them, as you can see up there. Here's a look at the back of one of them. Then we got another General Signals electronic bell up here, a 5th one at this crossing. And I'm gonna wait for traffic here to pass, because you see we've got a lot right there. signals here. Or is that guy gonna be slow? Yeah, I'm gonna wait for those guys to pass. Let's see here. Can I get on across, y'all? I'll be polite and let me through. Yes, thank you. Alright, so let's go. Apologies for that wait. So yeah, over here is the right here's the other side of US 431, US 278 Meighan Boulevard number 2. As you can see, we've got one more cantilever over here. There we go. Let's see here. So this signal, it is another progress rail cantilever. It's a bit larger than the other one. Right here's the emergency information, dot number 352764R, in case y'all didn't hear that earlier. Lights on this signal are more what's going on 12 by 24 inch lights for the mast lights with GE uniform look LEDs. Right there's the back one of the heads. Overhead lights on this signal are even more what's going on 12 by 24 inch lights, GE uniform look LEDs. As you can see, the rear pair there are actually mounted up high, interestingly enough, which makes for a bit of a neat look. And of course up here we got general signals electronic bell. So I'll go show you all the rear of the overhead and get one final look across from here. Let's see here. So yeah, here's the rear of the overhead there. There's another look there at the rear pair, which are mounted up high. And I forget if I showed the general signal, the sixth and final general signals electronic bell here, but if you're curious, there it is. So yeah, just thought I'd show off this large upgrade here at Meighan Boulevard number 2 and 6th Avenue number 4, or is it 6th Street number 4? I forget which all of a sudden. And yeah, 6th Street number 4 in Gadsden, Alabama. Over and out.